We are on the 4th story of the Camelot Inn and Suites, which is just right across the street from the shuttle entrance of Disneyland. And we are going to watch the fireworks actually from the jacuzzi area to see if they go. By the way, this is Rantin Robin for kind of an impromptu video, and we're going to watch the Disney fireworks. Yep. To watch or not to watch? That is the question. Allons-y. Alright, the spotlights are going. That usually signifies the start of the action. So fireworks should start off any second now. Right from about there. Right there, the mountain on the right of your screen, that is the Matterhorn. So just so you kind of have an idea of where we are looking at in the park. And right over there we start seeing the first of the fireworks right over the trees. Gonna move for a slightly better view because I think it moved a little bit by the time it goes. Alright, we move to a better spot.
This is your kind of cool, Ashley.
Now when the sound is quiet here, you can faintly hear the sound of the music playing over at the Disney park, but it is very difficult to hear.
Are you watching, baby?
Grandpa out of the room. Is that your kid? What do you say, Katie? Your kid?
I don't think they are. Because we do it every night, right? You're supposed to bring them. Okay, go back.
I was really wondering what they
Now they do more of an arch type thing, you'll notice with the next few ones. They're going to throw it into arches. You're going to have them going off kind of like this, and then you're going to have a few more. Should have more of an arch again, just a little bit.
That's weird.
There's your arch coming right at the bottom there. I don't know if you can see it. And so two of them meeting now. I'm going to see if I can get up and give you guys a better view. But you can kind of already still see the smoke trail from them. There we go. There's another arch, and you can see the two meeting. I think they're trying to build mouse ears, but I'm not exactly sure with this one.
Seems so close to the ground.
They do a lot of intersecting ones too. and several. Now those are beautiful. They're multicolored.
I like it when it
No, that's what the encore. Oh, okay. It's a great encore.
Should have them. Yep, there they are. You can see them shoot up.
Are you watching it?
Very little pause between them there. You can see about several of them. I wonder if they're trying to write what they're trying to do with them. Okay, it looks like we're maybe in for a finale here. It's hard to tell. This looks like finale status.
It's so weird that they like go on.
Shoot gun lock.
You guys also you're in a pool, so
There's your mouse ears.
smoked.
No, I was Googling how much Disneyland's $41,000 per year. $41 to
How charming, a finale.
That's gotta be.
That's what most fireworks. That's like they drum up.
Well, there you have it. That was a pretty awesome show. The only part you don't get from the hotels are some of the music and things like that. But if the noise gets really low, you can actually hear the music. Enough yesterday that I knew they were doing Let It Go from Frozen. So, you know. All in all, a really good show. If you're near one of the hotels, literally we're on Harbor Boulevard here with the park right across the street from us. So it's very easy to see the different parts of the park, and very easy to see the fireworks show every evening. The nice thing about the Camelot Inn, why I recommend it, although they are under construction, so maybe wait, is the pool is on the 4th level. So you actually get a really nice high up view of it, whereas most hotels, their pools are ground level, even like the ones
Mine is the giant tree.
Yeah. But you do have to be like right at the front edge or kind of at the back edge to get really the best spots. The jacuzzi's kind of nice too, but all in all, it's a good thing. So, Rant Robin, catch you guys later. Tomorrow's going to be another fun-packed day at Disneyland again, and Rant Robin logging out.